Welcome to this issue of CCC Trends. With numerous public insurers reporting second quarter and year-to-date results, a common theme has emerged. Collision and property damage liability claim frequencies for Q2 2020 were reported down between 20 and 40%, while claim severities were reported up between 10 and 20%. Heading into September of 2020, CCC reports overall non-comprehensive appraisal counts were still down nationally over 20%. Areas such as Austin, Texas, Phoenix, and San Francisco that had seen more recent surges in July of the COVID pandemic had seen their claim counts decline after recovering, while areas such as New York City continued to see steady but slow increases in claim counts. Not surprisingly, as the COVID-19 pandemic led to dramatically fewer drivers and miles driven, auto claim frequency dropped significantly. With roads less congested, travel speeds increased. And with traffic flowing faster and vehicle speeds higher, those crashes that did occur resulted in more non-drive and total loss vehicles. A comparison of the average total cost of repairs for non-comprehensive losses by calendar month reveals March and April of 2020 experienced some of the largest year-over-year increases in the last 5 years. With fewer overall claims to process, perhaps it shouldn't be a surprise that some of the intermediate steps and time to complete them also fell. For example, for the 4 quarters ending Q2, the average number of days of completion from the date of estimate locked to the date of the last supplement had improved. Technology to streamline communication between carriers and repairers regarding supplements certainly have helped. Another improvement in cycle time can be found in the average days from the date of estimate complete to the date the vehicle is brought in for repair, which fell over the last 5 years from 16.2 days to 15 days. However, while vehicles are being brought into the shop faster after the initial estimate, overall time in the repair shop continues to grow. With greater vehicle complexity and many repairs including additional steps such as scan and calibration, the average days from vehicle drop-off to pickup has grown by 1 full day in the last 5 years. While a smaller volume of claims and repairs during the pandemic may have helped, the data would suggest that the industry is seeing improvement in cycle time pre-repair. As the industry and consumers have become increasingly receptive to the use of digital claims tools and have incorporated artificial intelligence to support straight-through processing, the improvements may be here to stay. Thank you for joining us for this issue of CCC Trends.